Hey, everyone. In today's video, Alice shares a cozy little story about her day at the grocery store. You'll hear simple, useful English phrases and everyday vocabulary. It's the perfect way to practice your listening and speaking skills while enjoying a calm, everyday story. Let's get started.
Hey friends, I'm Alice. Today, I visit the grocery store because almost everything at home is finished. No milk, no bread, not even tea. So, come with me as I shop for the things I need. Let's go. It's a quiet morning. The sun shines softly through the window. I open my eyes and stretch. Another new day begins. I get out of bed and walk to the kitchen. My hair is messy. I'm still sleepy. I want to make breakfast. I open the fridge. I open the cabinets. Oh no! Everything is almost finished. No eggs, no milk, no bread. Just a little butter and one banana. I smile and shake my head. Looks like I need to go to the store today, I say. I make a very simple breakfast, toast with butter and one banana. I sit near the window and eat quietly. After breakfast, I get ready. I wear a soft hoodie and comfortable pants. I tie my hair back. I take my grocery bag and my shopping list. I check my keys, wallet, and phone. Now I'm ready. Let's go to the grocery store. The weather is warm and sunny. Birds are singing. I walk slowly. The streets are quiet today. After a short walk, I reach the grocery store. I take a shopping cart near the entrance. The store smells fresh and clean. First, I go to the vegetable section. I pick fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and green peppers. Everything looks bright and colorful. Next, I walk to the fruit area. I choose bananas, apples, and a small box of strawberries. Then, I go to the dairy section. I take a bottle of milk, some butter, and cheese. I need meat too. I go to the meat section. I pick some chicken breasts and minced beef. I also take a loaf of bread, some rice, a box of tea, and 2 bars of chocolate for later. Finally, I check my list. Everything is complete. I walk to the checkout counter. The cashier smiles and says, "Hello." I place all the items on the counter. She scans everything. I pay with my card. "Thank you," I say, and she replies, "Have a nice day." I put the groceries in my bag and leave the store. At home, I take off my shoes and put the bags on the kitchen table. I wash my hands and start putting things away. Vegetables go in the fridge. Rice and tea go in the cabinet. Bread on the counter. Everything is in the right place now. I smile. It feels good to have a full kitchen again. I make a cup of tea. The water boils. The smell of tea fills the air. I sit on the sofa with my warm cup. The room is quiet. I feel happy. A simple day, but full of care. A peaceful moment after a small adventure.
Now, let's start a little practice. I will say some simple sentences from today's story. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. 1. I wake up and go to the kitchen. 2. The fridge is almost empty. 3. I make a simple breakfast. 4. I get ready to go shopping. 5. I walk to the grocery store. 6. I pick vegetables and fruit. 7. I buy milk, bread, and tea. 8. I pay at the checkout counter. 9. I go back home and unpack. 10. I make tea and rest on the sofa. Great job! Practice these sentences again to build your confidence. Thank you for watching. See you next time for another cozy English story. Bye for now.